How to delete your Cash App account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete your Cash App account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further scroll down and you will see the support option. Tap on that. You will then see the option for accounts and settings. Tap on that and scroll down again and you will see the option for close your Cash App account. Tap on that. Now, go through the guidelines sent to you and further tap on the confirm button, and as soon as you hit the confirm button, your account will be closed and you will be logged out of Cash App. So, this is how you can delete your Cash App account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.